Running an Airbnb in Ealing isn't about cleaning once. It's about resetting a home, again and again, sometimes in just a few hours. One guest checks out in the morning, another arrives the same afternoon. And in between those moments, everything matters. The bed, the bathroom, the smell when the door opens, the way the light hits the floor. This is where most reviews are won or lost. At Ealing Clean, we don't clean Airbnbs like normal homes. We clean them like guests are watching, because they are. Every Airbnb clean starts with one question in mind. Would you be happy checking in right now? Bedrooms are reset properly, fresh linen, fitted cleanly, pillows aligned. Beds finished so they look inviting, not rushed. Bathrooms are detailed where guests notice first. Taps, shower screens, tiles, line scale removed before it becomes a complaint. Kitchens are wiped down fully, worktops clean, appliances refreshed. No lingering smells from the last stay. Floors are vacuumed and mopped, so the space feels clean underfoot, not just looks clean in photos. This is Airbnb cleaning, built for turnover, built for same-day changeovers. Built for hosts who don't have time for excuses. Short-let properties take more wear in 1 week than most homes do in a month. Suitcases, shoes, late nights, quick meals. So we work with a fixed routine, room by room, checklist by checklist. No shortcuts, no guessing. No, that should be fine, because guests always notice what gets missed. When time is tight, discipline matters more than speed. And that's how we handle same-day Airbnb cleaning across Ealing. Beds stripped and remade, bathrooms refreshed, bins cleared, surfaces reset, the entire stay restarted. Before we leave, we stop. We walk the space like a guest would. We look, not as cleaners, but as the next person opening the door. That final walkthrough catches the small things. The details that separate an average review from a 5-star one. We support Airbnb hosts, short-let landlords, and serviced accommodation across Ealing, Acton, Hanwell, Greenford, Perivale, Northolt, and Southall. Local properties, local team. Consistent standards. If you rely on your Airbnb income, you need more than clean enough. You need reliable, repeatable, gust-ready, every single time. That's what Airbnb cleaning in Ealing should feel like, and that's exactly how we work. Ealing Clean. Every detail matters.